So what's going on, everybody? Today I'm out working on this 2008 Toyota Camry, replacing the front brake pads. So I got the caliper off, well, got the tire off, got the caliper off. It's two, what is it, 14 millimeter bolts, and I pushed in the caliper before I even took it out. Pushed it all the way in, and you can see definitely they needed brake pads a little while ago. I'm going to take off these little clamps that hold it together. Let's see what these brake pads look like. Oh wow. Yeah, it was down the middle. But yeah, 2008 Toyota Camry brake pad replacement.